Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. It's your boy Sammy. In today's video, I'm going to be walking down to how to understand quality trade setup. Now, I need you to take home something. The market moves in different time frames, and each of the time frames actually have the way they actually relate. Okay, now let's take an example. If you're trading the 5 minutes time frame, it's actually different from the 4 hours. Now it takes 30 minutes or 5 minutes for each of these time frames to be formed according to their time zones. Now, but there's something called time frame alignment. It's also called top-down analysis. Some of you that are advanced will be hearing something like top-down analysis. It's still the same thing as time frame alignment. Without this, your trade will be a joke if you're not able to analyze this effectively, which I'm going to be walking you down to in this video. But first of all, I need to understand something. When it comes to quality trades, quality setups, quality setups are those ones that you are actually sure of that it's definitely going to play off, and this can only come in the 4 hours. I didn't say 1 hour, except you're a scalper. But day traders, as a day trader, as I'm recording this video as a day trader, as a swing trader, you can use 4 hours, you can use daily to place your analysis. But when it comes to 1 hour, you use it to confirm what you just placed as an analysis. So if you're ready for this video, let's jump right in and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this market is initially it is bearish. As you can see, this big trend line here, this one here, is actually showing that the market is bearish. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how I analyze this. Now, as you can look closely very well here, you will see that this market has been going up. Okay, but there's something we can do from this trade. I showed this video to one of my students and he was able to understand what I was doing. So I'm going to be showing you what I do and how to possibly do same thing and get same result. Now let's move to trend line. Okay, I like using trend line because I understand the market respects it a lot. Also, if you're new for watching this video, please I would like you to subscribe, like, and hit the comment section so we can get you into becoming more profitable in your trading analysis. Okay, this is it. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is better off. Now what we're seeing here is higher highs, higher lows, and all of this sort. But if you look closely, there is something happening here. There is something happening there. What's that? It seems as if the market is going up without coming back to meet this main trend line, right? Now this is where the higher trade analysis is that I was talking about. This was the last one. Okay, this is it. If you want to really get this stuff clearly, this is what you should be doing. When you, let's say we enter the market here. Okay, let me take this thing out. Okay, let me draw from here. We enter the market here. Okay, let me draw this. Yeah, let's say we enter the market here and we want to take price to the upside. Taking this trend line here, you will notice a break. You will notice a break here. Okay, now this is what I was saying. It's very easy for you guys to understand. Please just stick with me to the end of this video. You will get to understand what I'm saying. We entered the price here, okay, and price came up here. We have a higher high. Now notice the price did not come back to this main trend line. Okay, now in the lower time frame, if you're with this trend, whenever the market breaks below it, it shows it's coming back to this main trend line. Don't forget, like I said before, the market moves in a zigzag formula, so it actually creates that zigzag also. This is kind of like a little bit technical, but let me just do it so we can get the concept of what I'm saying. It creates a little bit zigzag also while moving with the trend. Okay, while moving with the trend, it creates some form of zigzag. Yeah, okay, see if I can get this thing here. Okay, yeah, here we are. Okay, okay, now see what I was saying. If you notice very well, If I should draw this trend line a little bit up, you'll notice that the price actually came here. Okay, I think that's better. It actually came there before dropping back down to break it. Now take note of this. I told you the market moves in a zigzag formula. Okay, it moves in a zigzag formula. Now this is what you need to know. This one here is actually what you can trade off of in the lower time frame. If you go down to the 30 minutes in this trade, I would like you guys to do that job. Go down to the 30 minutes and confirm what I'm saying if it's true. This is NZD USD. Okay, we entered the market here and the market was on the buy. Sorry. Okay, market is actually bearish, so we decided to trade off of this. This can work in the higher time frame, monthly, and take note, it happens in all the time frame. Please don't mix this up. It happens in all the time frame, but what we are trying to do is trade up of the hourly 4 hours time frame, so we can be on the what safer side. This was the entry. Now all this move here was bullish, but immediately we got a break. It's a sign for us to exit. Why are we exiting? The market is bound to come back to this main trend line before going up, but we need to confirm it before what entering again. Okay, so wait for the time frame market to come here before entering to take price to the upside. But take note, when price is coming, it's going to be coming to this second trend line in the middle before dropping down. Okay, it's a very high probability setup. I would like you to try out with your trade. Please, before putting it to practice, do a back test, confirm it, and in other markets, and see how this thing works. Okay, if you haven't learned the video where I talk about trend line, I will leave the link in the comment section. You need to understand how to draw a trend line before you can actually do this a little bit advanced techniques. This is how to exit the trade. This is how to know when to enter and when to leave the trade off of the 30 minutes. Okay, this is where the 30 minutes break off of. Okay, for you to what exit trade. I think there's enough information in one video. I think you guys can just leave a thumbs up in the comment section if you need it, and also leave a like, share the video also.